Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. We are at Coventry train station today, and we have got the climate change a Avanti on where. I never knew that was true.
So
I never.
Where's the next train?
So why does that move? Really colourful train. Yes, this is Coventry train station. If you want proof, it's not rugby at all.
Thanks for going back to our video.
Yeah, and that's proof there. I'll just turn the camera quickly. There you are. Can you please?
Harry, I don't know where we're supposed to be and what train we're supposed to be on, so I don't ask.
Oh my god, it's the Avanti West Coast, you know, mate.
Yeah, but is it that one?
No, because that's going just straight to London Euston,
Yeah,
no stop.
I've just seen calling it rugby.
This
at-
this one then.
Look, rugby.
Go ask then. Oh my god, you ask.
This one.
It is going to be this one, isn't it? Oh my god. Yeah, we're going on the train, guys. Don't worry. Right, this person does not know a thing.
Oh, let's just where is it?
Right, you ask customer service then. We're here every time, and every time we're here, we're doing customer service. Okay, this is good.
So where's customer services? Push to enter.
Oh my, listen, guys. Doing so loud. Oh my lord. We're waiting out here. This is not. What time is it? What time was he on platform? What time was I on? Yeah, this is our train.
No, she said it's not. But then it's still. Is anybody here?
No. Yeah, probably. Shall we go?
Is that a bell to ring?
I don't know.
They're in the New Street. Hello? Oh, hello. Please.
That's going on YouTube.
Oh, Harry, please don't shout anymore.
Oh no! Cov. 3. Is it? Oh, where's something big? Pardon? How am I supposed to know?
Now they go back on the granny seat.
Right, I'm gonna stop this there. Sorry guys. I was trying to do a train spotting video, but this has really turned horribly wrong. If I knew this was gonna happen, I wouldn't have done this video, but yes, thank you for watching, and see you later.